project management is more than just tracking tasks, it's about strategy, precision, and intuition. Today, we're focusing on one software tool that could change how you manage projects forever. What makes it stand out from the competition? Let's find out together in this detailed review. Get ready for insights that could transform your approach to handling projects.
In today's fast-paced world, where remote work is becoming the new normal, an effective team isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Teamwork.com offers intuitive project management tools designed to help teams thrive, streamline communication, and enhance productivity. In this video, we will delve into why Teamwork.com is the ultimate choice for your business. Teamwork.com is a powerful platform for project management and collaboration, tailored for teams of all sizes. It provides a comprehensive suite of features that helps organize work, track progress, and ensure transparency at every stage of a project. From initial planning to final execution, Teamwork equips you with everything necessary for effective team operations. Teamwork.com allows you to create projects effortlessly. You can add tasks, subtasks, set deadlines, and assign responsible individuals, ensuring accountability. The visual interface provides an overview of your projects, enabling team members to see at a glance how much work is completed and what still needs attention. Good communication is the backbone of any successful team. Teamwork.com features built-in chats, comments, and task discussions, keeping all important data in one centralized location. Your team will always stay connected, whether working from home, a coffee shop, or the office. Accurate time tracking is essential for optimizing productivity. Teamwork's time trackers allow you to see how much time your team spends on tasks, enabling you to assess workloads, allocate resources efficiently, and identify areas for improvement. This feature is particularly valuable for project-based work, ensuring you stay within budget and meet deadlines. Teamwork.com seamlessly integrates with many popular tools, such as Google Drive, Slack, Trello, and Zoom. This ensures you can connect all your workflows and tools in one place, minimizing the need to switch between different platforms. The result? A more streamlined process that saves time and reduces frustration. Data-driven decisions lead to better outcomes. Teamwork.com provides detailed reporting on team performance and project progress. These insights help you make informed decisions to enhance workflows, increase efficiency, and ensure that your team is on track to meet its goals. Every team has unique needs, and Teamwork.com recognizes that. You can create tailored workspaces for different projects or teams, allowing each group to work in an environment that suits their specific needs and preferences. This flexibility boosts engagement and productivity. Gone are the days of sifting through emails to find project-related files. Teamwork.com allows you to store and manage all your project documents within the platform. Team members can easily share documents, images, and other files, ensuring everyone has access to the latest information and reducing the risk of version control issues. For businesses that work closely with clients, Teamwork.com offers tools to manage client relationships. You can track communications, deadlines, and deliverables associated with each client, ensuring that you meet their expectations and build long-term relationships. Stay connected and manage your projects on the go with the Teamwork.com mobile app. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or simply away from your desk, you can keep track of project progress, communicate with your team, and manage tasks from anywhere. Control access to your projects with ease. Teamwork.com allows you to assign different roles and permissions, ensuring that sensitive information is only accessible to the right people. This feature helps maintain security while promoting collaboration. Imagine a scenario where a marketing team is preparing to launch a new product. With Teamwork.com, they can plan the entire campaign, from brainstorming sessions to final execution. Tasks can be assigned based on team members' strengths, deadlines can be set, and the team can monitor the project's progress in real time. This not only increases efficiency, but also enhances collaboration and accountability. Many businesses, from small startups to large enterprises, have successfully implemented Teamwork.com into their workflows. Testimonials from satisfied users highlight significant improvements in communication, project tracking, and overall productivity. For instance, a graphic design agency reported a 30% increase in project completion speed after using Teamwork.com, attributing this success to better task delegation and time management. Countless teams across various industries have transformed their operations by incorporating Teamwork.com into their daily routines. For example, a tech startup used Teamwork.com to streamline their product development process. By centralizing all project-related tasks and communication, they reduced their project timelines by 25%, allowing them to bring their product to market faster. An advertising agency utilized the platform's reporting features to analyze their campaign performance. By understanding what worked and what didn't, they were able to optimize their strategies and increase their client satisfaction ratings. Project management has never been this simple and efficient. Teamwork.com provides all the essential tools needed for successful teamwork. If you're looking to boost productivity, improve communication, and achieve your business goals, Teamwork.com is exactly what you need. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to catch new videos about useful tools and tips for your business. Share your thoughts in the comments and tell us how you use Teamwork.com in your work. Let's work together to create an amazing environment for our teams.